Welcome to Fix Me Master, your tech fix hub. If you're into tech tricks and troubleshooting, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Ever typed a bunch of commands in Command Prompt and wished for a quick way to clear the screen? Well, there's a simple command for that, CLS's. Let me show you how it works. This step 1, open Command Prompt, press Win-R, type Command and hit Enter. This will open the Command Prompt window. Step 2, execute the CLS command. Type the following command and press Enter, cmad CLS. Instantly, the screen clears up, giving you a fresh workspace. Alternative methods. Closing and reopening command. Simply close the command prompt and open it again for a fresh start. Using keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+L works in some terminals but not standard command. Alt F4 closes command, then reopen it. And that's it. A quick and easy way to clear your command prompt screen using the CLS command. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. See you in the next one.